Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of matrices, that is chapter matrices. Here this is matrices comes under the intermediate first year Maths A and 3D here. So in this third 3D exercise we are going to find the solution of section 1. So it is very important for 2 marks question. Okay, so please practice here, please practice every problem, that is will help you to do the problems or solutions like in the board exam. Okay, board exam will help you more these 2 marks questions. Now start with the first question. Now before starting to the section 1 we will discuss something here. So that is page number, you go through there your page number 80 of your Telugu Academy textbook. So there you will find the 3.4 determinants. So determinants, you please practice that one. So a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the formula you have to find out. So what this formula will based on will come here, I will tell you. So it will become a1 and a2 b1 and b2. So if we given any a1 so 2 by 2 matrices like this, so a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is a like formula is a det, like we can say is a det matrix, det of this one. Okay, so determinant, det is means determinant here. Okay, so this will come here, and after that 3.4.1 is there. Okay, minor definition, minor of an element, so that will be important. After that 3.4.2 also important, please practice those things. This is cofactor, and after that some examples is given for 3.4.3. so those examples you have to find, you have to do. Okay, so that is also very important, and 4.5 also important. Here 4.5 is there, and here some examples 3.4.7. so there you find some example 1 2 3 4 examples are there, 4 examples. So these are very important examples for 2 marks questions, I'm telling you. So after that 3.4.8 is a properties of determinants. This I will explain in detail. Okay, so please don't worry. So I will explaining just determinants in the section 1. Whenever I will start section 2, I will go for this properties of det. Okay, now here these are the very important, all the important problems only. So here, and after that so solved problems are there. So 3.4.10 you will find the solved problems. What one? Solved problems. These solved problems are very important. You go through the solved problems 1 to how many are there? 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 solved, 6 7 7 solved problems are there. So these are very important problems, please practice the here. So I want to tell you this only. So det, first determinant, so det we will find. So in case of a b c d given though, so ad into bc, ad minus bc is a determinant of this given matrices here. Okay, now we'll start with the section 1 here. So it is very important, I told you already, for 2 marks question. Now here section 1 first question is given that find the determinants of the following matrices. Determinants, what we have to find? Det. So det of this given first question is here. So what is this 2 1 1 minus 5 na? So this det is equal to what will come here means so 2 5 ja 2 into minus 5, and ad minus bc, I told you already, ad minus bc formula we use here. Bc is equal to, so this is bc here 1 into 1, so it will become 2 5 ja 10 minus 10 minus 1 is equal to minus 11 is the det of given matrices here. Okay na? So this is will over here, and next one, so this is a solution here. So what we have to find? Det. So det is ad minus bc, so this is a b c d to, so 4 2 ja 8 is equal to 4 2 ja 8 minus 5 into minus 6 is equal to 4 2 ja 8 minus 5 6 ja 30 plus 30 is equal to 38 is the det of this given second question here. Now moving to the third question. Now third question is given that here solution. So this is det of what is that? I 0 0 minus I, so is equal to det is equal to, so it will become this total like I into minus I minus 0 into 0. So I into minus I is equal to minus I square. So I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. I already told you this is a complex number value, so it will become minus 1, and as minus is also there now, minus into minus plus 1 will come here. So data of given question is 1. Now moving to the next question solution here. So this is A is equal to given, what we have to find, det 0 1 1 1 0 1, here 1 1 0. So det A we have to find now. So this is very important because this is a 3 by 3 form. Here up to we did 2 by 2 now. So now 3 by 3, how to do I will tell you, like please listen constantly, so then only you will understand, okay, otherwise you will not understand. This is a very important step here what we have to do. This is maybe ask for your 2 marks question, I told you already, okay. So here whenever 3 by 3 matrix is given, so to find the determinant, so do one thing. So take this first value 0 here, whichever value is given here, so take that after these two values here. So what, 0 1 and 1 0 here. After that minus will come because alternative will goes like that, okay. So here 1 into, so this 1 into, I will take 1 into, so this row and this column leave, okay. So remaining 1 1 and again 1 0 1 0 will come here, and again we have to take place here 1 is there, so that's one I'm taking here. So 1 1 this row and this column will go, so it will become 1 0 and 1 1 will come here. So this is the data of the given matrices here. Now here 0 into something also, we know that every time 0 into something is 0, we'll write like that only here. So data of this one here, 1 into 0 minus 1, 1 into 0 0, and 1 1 ja minus 1 here, and plus 1 here. So 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 into 0 0 here. So that will goes like this, minus 0 minus 1 into so here this will become minus 1 and plus 1 into 1. So it will become 0 minus into minus plus 1 and plus 1 is equal to 2. So det is equal to how much? Det A is equal to 2. These two. Now moving to the next question. Now fifth question is given that solution here. So this will what again, same like fourth question only. So from given question is what, 1 4 2 2 minus 1 4 and minus 3 7 and 6 na. So from this first we will take this one 1 into, okay. So one this row this column is not there, so minus 1 and 7 and 4 and 6 will come here, okay. And after that minus, relatively I told you minus will come here, and 4 into 4 will go to this row and this column, okay. So now what will remain, 2 4 minus 3 6, 2 4 minus 3 6 will remain here, and after that plus will come, plus 2 2, okay, 2 will. So this row and this column will out, here will remain this one. So 2 minus 1 and minus 3 and 7 here, this will come here. Now so 1 into 1 6 ja, so minus 6 will come here, 7 4 ja, what is 7 4 ja, minus 28 will come here, okay. So this will come here, and 4 into 2 6 ja 12, minus will be there, 3 4 ja 12, minus 12 will come here, okay. So this will over, plus 2 into, so 2 7 ja 14 minus 3 3 ja 3 1 ja 3. So this will become minus 34 will come now. So here minus 34, and this is minus into minus plus 24 4 ja how much, 96, minus 96 will come, and again this will come as 11 2 ja 22 plus 22. So here total will become, so this minus this is equal to 12 means 108, minus 108 will come here. So this is the det of given question, okay na. So this is given question det. Now moving to the next one. Now sixth question here, given that solution. So what is given, 2 minus 1 4 4 minus 3 1 1 2 1 is given here, okay. So 2 into det of this minus 3 1 2 1 will come, and again minus of minus 1 into det of what will come here? This will go so 4 1 and 1 1 will come here, and again 4 if we come on to, so 4 1 to this row, this column, so it will give this one 4 3, 4 minus 3 and 1 2, so this will come. So here 2 into this will become minus 3 minus 2, and here minus into minus plus 1 into 4 1 ja 4 minus 1 and plus 4 into 4 2 ja 8 and 1 3 ja 3 plus 3 will come here. So plus 3 means minus 3 is there na, plus into plus, minus into minus plus here will come. So 2 into it will come as minus 5 plus this is 3 and this is 8 3 is 8 plus 3 11 11 4 ja 44 will come here. So minus 10 plus 3 plus 44 is equal to how much will come? This is minus 7. Minus 7 means 37 will come here. Det of. Okay, this is determinant of this given matrices here. Now seventh question is here, solution. So given that 1 2 minus 3, someone pause the question and do the question. Okay, so verify later that 2 4 minus 6. So determinant we have to find. So 1 into minus 1 7 4 minus 6 will come, and again minus 2 into so 4 7 2 minus 6 will come here, plus again this will goes to minus 3 to minus 3 into what will come here? What there? 4 minus 1 2 4 will come here, this will come. So here 1 into, so determinants, what is the determinant of this one? Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6 minus 4 7 ja 28. Here minus will be there, minus 2 into 4 6 ja 24 minus 24 and 2 7 ja 14 minus 14, and minus 3 into 4 4 ja 16 minus of 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 means here this is minus 22. Okay, and minus this is how much here? Minus 38 minus 38 2 ja minus 76 minus 76 minus into minus plus 76. Here 3 18 ja 15 4. Again this will come here. So this minus 2, this is how much will come here? What we can say, 6 to 76 minus 76 plus 76 is equal to 0. So determinant is how much? 0 of this given question here. Now moving to the eighth one. Now eighth question is solution here. A H G H B F and G F C. So determinant A, determinant of this row, this column will go, so it will become what will come? B A F F C minus H, this one, and here rows column goes to what will come here? H F G C. So plus G will come to, it will become G will goes to, this is H, no, H B G F will come, H B G F. So this will come here. Okay, now after this A into BC minus F square will come. So this one, okay, AD minus BC, like formula used to, where A B C D is a matrices like this. Okay, minus H into HC minus GF, bracket close, plus G into, so what will come? HF minus BG. So will come here. So A into ABC minus AF square minus this is H square C minus plus HGF will come, and after that G into F plus GHF minus G into G square minus BG square. Okay, So HGF to HGF will come. Okay, so answer is ABC minus AF square minus H square C plus 2GHF HGF. So like, how can you write your wish? So minus BG square. So this is answer of given question here. Okay, so 2FGH we can write. Okay, no problem. So now moving to the next question. Now same question, 8th one only, 8th one like only solution here. So is here given as in the AB, that is in the given as AHG like that. Okay, HF uses there, but here ABC only he uses. Here determinants A, okay, A, C, A, B, these terms, these 4 terms. Okay, so after that taking B minus B, so here these 4 terms will come. So these 4, this one and this one, B, A, C, B will come here, and again plus Cito, it will become this Cito. Okay, this will go and it will become BC and CA. So what it will become A into, so BC minus A square, here minus B into B square minus AC plus here C into BA minus C square. So this will come. So again A into ABC minus A cube, this A into A square. Okay, so minus B into B square minus B cube, and minus into minus plus, this minus into minus plus, A, B, C will come here. So this is plus A, B, C will come, and here plus minus C square will come here, minus C cube. Okay, 3A, B, C minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube will come. So this is answer of given question here, this one, 9th one. Okay, now moving to the next one. So now given question is this one here, 1, 4, 9. I am squaring on that one. So 4, 9 and 4 was 16. So here 9, 16 and 25 is given. So det is equal to, so det is equal to 1 into, so here 1 will go to 9, 16, 9, 16, again 16, 25.